Tally is a mobile app that lets people get a personal line of credit with a variable rate so they can pay off multiple credit cards at once. The app uses an algorithm that lets users pay off their cards with the highest interest rates first. The company says this can help people get out of debt quickly. The app has 3 levels of membership that give users access to different features that help them pay off debt. As with most ways to consolidate debt, Tally's line of credit is only a good choice if it will save you money on interest. Tally is best for borrowers who want to pay down high-interest credit cards, don't plan to continue using the cards they're paying off, need help sticking to a debt payoff strategy. How the Tally app works. To start consolidating your debt with Tally, you'll need to provide some personal and credit card information. Here's how it works. Download the app and set up an account. Tally asks for your email address and a password. Add basic information and get an approval decision. Enter a phone number, address, income, and birthday, and approve a soft credit check, which doesn't impact your credit score. If approved, Tally will display your approved credit line amount and annual percentage rate. Add credit cards. You can scan your credit cards with your phone's camera or enter their information. The app will connect to your credit card accounts and analyze your balances. Accept the offer. Accept the terms and conditions of the offer you receive. Link a checking account. Tally uses your bank account for repayment. Tally pays your credit cards. With your approval, Tally will pay usually the balances on any credit cards with a higher APR than the credit line. In turn, you make monthly payments to Tally. Tally provides a variable rate line of credit, so the APR you're initially approved for may change over time. Users are notified of rate changes in the app and their monthly statements, according to Tally. How Tally pays off your credit cards. If Tally's credit line is larger than your total credit card debt and has a lower APR, Tally will use the line of credit to pay off the cards, and you'll be left with one monthly payment to Tally. You'll pay interest on only the amount of credit you use. If your Tally credit line is smaller than your credit card debt, Tally uses the credit line to pay high-interest cards first. The app can also pay your minimum balances on lower interest cards as payment protection, even if that amount surpasses the credit line amount, and you pay Tally back. As you repay the app, more of the credit line becomes available and the app pays more of your balances. If Tally's APR is lower than some of your credit cards, Tally won't pay off credit cards that have lower APRs than your line of credit. Still, users can set up automatic payments from a linked checking account to manage those card payments through Tally. How to qualify for a Tally line of credit. To qualify you, Tally considers information like income, any past credit card delinquencies, and other existing debts. It doesn't require a specific minimum income, nor does it disclose other qualification criteria. To meet Tally's basic requirements, applicants must be 18 years or older, have a 580 or higher FICO score, be a U.S. citizen. Tally memberships. Tally Basic Membership. Users who get a credit line have a Tally Basic Membership. There are no fees with this option, but you will pay interest on the credit line. Tally Plus Membership. With Tally Plus, some qualified users receive a larger credit line and monthly discounts for making on-time payments. This membership costs $300 per year, which you pay out of your credit line up front. On average, rates are lowered by 4 percentage points, according to Tally's website. Tally Membership. Users who aren't approved for a line of credit can still use the app's debt management features, which include setting up automatic payments and reminders. Users can choose a debt payoff strategy, snowball, avalanche, or targeting cards with the highest utilization, and Tally will help you follow it. The app can use a linked checking account to make minimum credit card payments to avoid late fees. This feature is available only to iOS users. Where the Tally app stands out for debt consolidation. Prioritizes high-interest cards. The app optimizes your monthly payments, typically paying down your highest interest debt first. That way, you don't have to do the work of determining how much to pay toward each card, and you can save money on interest. Fast approval and access to funds. Tally makes an instant approval decision, and funds are available immediately. This is faster than some personal loans and balance transfer cards, which can take a week or longer. Debt payoff features. Even if you don't use a line of credit, the app allows you to pick a debt payoff strategy and automatically applies it as it makes payments from your checking account. Where the Tally app falls short for debt consolidation. Reports payments to none or one of 3 credit bureaus. Tally reports payments to only one of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, and in some states, does not report payments at all. having payments reported to all three bureaus. The other two are Equifax and TransUnion. Ensures that future creditors can consider positive credit behavior when deciding to rate. Compare the Tally app to other debt consolidation options. Tally versus personal loans. Some of the best debt consolidation loans have slightly lower rates than Tally, so it may be helpful to pre-qualify for a personal loan to preview offers. Some lenders also offer discounts or let you add a co-applicant to lower your APR, which Tally doesn't do.